Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, September 25th. The Zen story for today is titled The Silent Game. You talk too much, the monk said, not unkindly. The monkey gasped. I talk perfectly much. Let's test that. With what? Silence, said monk. The monkey stared. First one to speak, the monk said, loses. The monkey narrowed its eyes. Fine. They kept walking for 7 steps. Then the monkey's stomach growled loudly, like a protest from within. It grabbed its belly and doubled over in pantomimed agony. The monk kept walking. The monkey began to mime. First hunger, then thirst, then elaborate scene involving a dragon, a watermelon, and a broken umbrella. Dust flew, arms waved, eyes bulged. The monk paused once, watching like a museum guest regarding a particularly emotional statue, then walked on. The monkey, now sweating from performance, tried a new tactic. It picked up a stick and began scrawling jokes in the dirt. Why did the Bodhisattva cross the road? Because the other side was already empty. The monk didn't look. Desperate, the monkey did a full-body interpretive dance about longing, regret, and bananas. It ended in a dramatic collapse beneath a thorn bush. Still, the monk said nothing. Eventually, the monkey grew tired, then bored. Then, lying on its back, it looked up at the empty sky. And for the first time since the game began, it wasn't trying to win. A breeze passed through the grass. The monk sat beside it. No one spoke. And so, the monkey won. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body and arrive in stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. When you stop trying to be heard, what else becomes loud enough to notice? When you stop trying to be heard, what else becomes loud enough to notice? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body, and mine. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. When you stop trying to be heard, what else becomes loud enough to notice? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.